checking another one off my list. This one is from a Chinese music program called the Global Chinese Music Chart. This was recorded November of 21 and actually aired in February of 22. The song that he is singing is Only You, and it is in the OST from Chinese drama, which is on my list to watch, called The Perfect Partner. So I will probably listen to the song, and when I finish, I will search out the streaming of Perfect Partner and watch that as well. But anyway, let's hear Dimash. And away we go.
敷衍假设，从不知的以后，不知所以，就装作洒脱，开一扇多关心的问候，心酸的承受，掌声着不被看破。
I always like when he starts out nice and slow and low, and it kind of pulls you into the song. You kind of lean forward to listen to him.
有一双命运的手，安排了和你的邂逅，空荡的心，你悄然降落。我的沉默，你的挥动，全然感受，多感动，不需要说出口。不害怕失去冷漠，想都有你陪着我，照亮心底角落，山沉睡的爱浮华，贴上夜晚的星空，被你唤醒温柔，紧紧握住你的手，决定陪你到最后。
I'm stopping this one a little bit more than I usually do, mainly because it is from a Chinese program, and they are quite stringent on their copyrights on that. So I apologize, but I will have the link on there so you can watch it uninterrupted.
空城巷口，难免一个人走，有你的方向，再不会感到困惑。人海中纵横交错，也许你还等待着我，那么想懂我们的执着。我的心跳，你的怀动，全然感受，多幸运不需要说出口，不害怕世界冷漠，想都有你陪着我，照亮心底角落，让沉睡的爱浮夸，贴上夜晚的星空，被你唤醒温柔，紧紧握住你的手，决定陪你到最后。
It sounds like an OST.
不害怕世界冷漠，因为有你爱着我。有奈何后换作像亲吻满头快忧伤，街上夜晚的星空，被你唤醒怀中，紧紧握住你的手，决定陪你到。
I love how he gets into the music. If you understand what I'm saying, he's not simply singing the lyrics to a melody, but he feels what he's saying. And it's interesting because even if it is in a different language and he's learning it phonetically, I'm sure he also, got the translation into Kazakh so that he could understand the story of the song, just as we get it translated into English to understand it. But he really has that ability to portray the song, if that makes sense. Well, anyway, that is another one I'm striking off my list. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.